Well, everyone, I wanted to go ahead and do an iPhone 11 unboxing in the year of 2023. This was pretty much the same exact iPhone 11 that I had bought back in the day, and it's pretty crazy because when you actually look at how thick this box is, as I mentioned before, it's actually insane how much stuff actually came in the box back in the day. Now, on top of that, this is the same exact box and the same exact iPhone that I bought, so you can see all this information in the back. It was the 64 gigabyte variant of that time, and even if you take a look, iPhone 11 earpods with lightning connect, just so much stuff came in this box, it's crazy. Now, I do think I lost the documentation because I looked for it and I couldn't find it, but it's a pretty much repackaged iPhone that I bought back in the day. So unboxing it, you could pretty much just took the top off like this. Funny thing, on the back of this box, they always kept a little cutout for the camera, which was very interesting. So it used to be the other way, it used to be flipped. This basically was like the other way, but I just kept it this way. And that was a funny thing they did back in the day. I still think they do it. It's kind of a nice touch. Now, you did get the iPhone 11 as soon as you unboxed it, which was really nice. Now, turning it on, I think I turned it off, I don't remember. Essentially, you did have this iPhone in packaging. I took the packaging off again back in 2019, and then you had a little bit of a documentation layer. So you used to have like the documentation there, which was nice, and you could just go ahead and pick it up and you can look through. You had the Apple stickers too. But the big thing here are these accessories. The fact that we actually had these many accessories back then is insane because this was a $699 iPhone. Our iPhones nowadays are more expensive than this, and we're getting less things and less accessories. So to start off, we actually did have this charging block, which is really nice. So for now, this was I think right before Apple switched over to their main USB Type C charging port. I think they did do that like for a year, maybe for the Pro models. I honestly don't remember, but they took them out eventually the last year after this. So this was the last year we actually ended up getting a charging block in our specific box, but we also ended up getting the ear pods. This was one of the craziest things ever. The fact that we actually had AirPods built within our specific case itself was absolutely insane. We also had the charging cable here too. But how crazy is that we could go ahead and actually use a specific set of earpods like this and have them straight in our box instead of a $699 iPhone? Those types of things are just crazy because we know Apple is pretty much never going to do anything remotely close to that ever again. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if they took out the charging cable. Now, I want to go ahead and showcase to you the back of this box once more, because if we go and take a look at this box, I mean, it's just crazy how many things we had inside of it. It's just the earpods with a lightning connector, a lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, supports whatever, and the documentation, so many things inside of this, and the Apple stickers. Like, it's just crazy to me how many things Apple used to give us in the box, and now they've kind of taken away a majority of it, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. But that's kind of a quick unboxing of this iPhone in 2023. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.